How to install your countertop water purifier. Remove the aerator from the faucet. Insert the rubber washer into the diverter valve. Attach the correct adapter. For external threaded faucets, screw the diverter valve. For internal threaded faucets, screw the reversible adapter, then screw the diverter valve. For no threaded faucets, attach the PVC rubber adapter. Lock the clamp, then screw the diverter valve. For metal diverters, unscrew the nut and insert the hose into the diverter valve. Screw the nut to lock the hose in place. For plastic diverters, insert the hose into the diverter valve. Turn on the faucet. For tap water, turn the diverter valve to a vertical position. For filtered water, turn the diverter valve to a horizontal position. Run continuously for 3 to 5 minutes to flush out the carbon residue. Drink and breathe fresh with Megafresh.